Because it's permanent, right? I can see that. Because I faced a fucking cool panther spawn tempo asshole. I'm probably gonna stay at turn 3 here. That's really good on Gali.
Gotta build up a team somehow.
Nice. Even the second Skypin is nice. I think I'd rather keep the pair here, right? Yeah, let's just get this here. I think I like the Cyclone the most. Gives me like the most options also for next turn.
Play your best out there.
You need to find Nomi. Yeah, Nomi would unironically be good here.
And the crowd goes wild.
What a piece of shit roll. But Nagas, yeah, he's gonna be big. I'm probably gonna get that red pack here. Just for the next fight. It's so good here. We could get a taunt if you want to. Not Cinderai. Can have both. Maybe I should roll one. The taunt is not great as Cinderai and also not. That's really good. So, jetzt muss ich mal gucken. So it's either a raptor. It's just a raptor, right? I think I'm unironically gonna stealth one of the birds here. Yeah, but I'm gonna let the rest go because I wanna really not play beasts here. No, I'm not gonna play Banana Joe. I just wanna have those beasts to stabilize a bit, guys. That's basically it. You had everything on the table, it's a god sign, yeah. I just... it might have been a mistake. I will see.
And the crowd goes wild.
So let's get a bit stronger on turn 4 here, right?
Time to bench that one.
You can cycle. I just want to get a lot of gold for next turn. I mean, there's Banana Joe again if you wanted. I mean, sure, let's get Banana Joe then. Do I want to cycle a Wildfire? Not really right now. This is decent.
A strong athlete.
This would be a nice triple, you know. I'm just collecting pairs right now, so I can...
Trade 'em out now and then.
Yeah, I think I just played a Banana and Stealth Hit here. That's it, and just keep the mark. Yeah, we are still just playing the beasts to stabilize a bit. Like, beasts usually roach you very well into top 4, but I think with Galley and this tempo we have... Ach, fuck you. Was kommt nächstes? Oh, die Hits schon wieder, ey, machen mich schon wieder aggressiv. Das waren so schlechte Hits, Alter. Mann, was mache ich denn falsch in meinem Leben, Alter? Ohne Scheiß. Die Hits gehen ja nicht schlechter. Ich weiß gar nicht, was willst du denn da machen? Ich kriege ja jedes Spiel immer bei einem 20% aufs Maul und dann kommt der große High Roller um die Ecke. Ist doch scheiße. Ist doch einfach scheiße. Echt, ey. Es macht echt keinen Spaß mehr. I have to go for triples now. Nein, das ist so eine Kacke, ohne Scheiß. I guess we take 5 drops because, yeah, we need to take 5s, right? Otherwise we are getting wrecked. Ich kann nicht mit 5 Gold spielen, das geht nicht, sonst sterbe ich einfach und heul ich rum. Disco Shuffler. I need Cinderai against Beast for sure. Do I need this? I mean, maybe that is good, right? Maybe a taunt on the Raptor. Second Banana. That's second Raptor, that's good. So Elemental, Drache, Beast. Ja, kann ich aber den auch runterspielen. Den runter. Now Cinderai first. Raptor second. Yeah, that's just a lineup. Could cycle the Elemental next turn, but I think we're good for now. Yeah. I did what I could here. So ein Witz, ey. I guess the person... Ja. Ey, ohne Scheiß. Endlich mal Glück. Ohne Scheiß. Endlich mal Glück. So 10 gold are saved. So we cancel the Cinderai there. Does the level up